Hello, welcome to the weather update at 7:30, March 19, 2021. Last full day of winter, and it sure felt like it today. Temperatures have been in the upper 30s, low 40s, kind of windy out there too throughout the day. Temperature, and so it's been quite a chilly day. And if you take a look here, you'll see here that we have cleared out. I can make this loop a little longer, so you can get an idea. We had some high clouds, and then they finally kind of cleared out late in the afternoon. We had a nice clear sky as this front and system move away from us. So let's take a look at the rainfall totals and see what the rainfall, and the Weather Service never put a rainfall total out, so I'm going to have to actually get that myself. I'm going to have to set this to, we'll just set it to that, that's all. So we'll get the rainfall totals, and you'll see it looks like we got, I don't actually see an inch of rain across there. It looks like we got more like 3/4 of an inch of rain. 0.52 at Farmingdale, 0.87 at Islip, or is that 0.67? 0.67 at Islip, 0.35 at West Hampton. So not that much rain, actually. I don't know what that 1610 is. Somebody's rain gauge is probably getting flooded with, I don't know what the hell that is. Let's see who's reporting that. It's a buoy. All right, well, it probably has seawater in it, probably just from the choppy waves. The city got around half an inch to 3/4 of an inch. I guess nothing remarkable. But if you go out to Jersey, they got a lot more, actually. 1.02 inches in the airport west of Toms River. 1.20 in the Toms River itself. 1.29 in Lakewood. So a good amount of rain where they really needed it, because they had a lot of these fires over here. So, I mean, everybody got enough rain. We got a decent amount of rain. As further south you go, the higher the amounts get. As you go by Atlantic City, you have 1.76 at Atlantic City Airport. So, yeah, a lot more rain for them, but still enough rain to, save us from the wildfire hazard. So let's go look at the models, and pretty much, I mean, things are going to be pretty simple the next couple days. I'm not looking at the upper air in this one. We're just going to show you this big, beautiful high that's going to be building down, bringing us some absolutely beautiful weather through the weekend. Tomorrow, Sunday, even in the Monday, it sticks around, and the next chance of rain really won't be until Wednesday of next week, and maybe again on Friday into Saturday. But other than that, we are staying dry for a while. Once again, we have another nice pattern setting up, at this time with warmer temperatures. So let's go look at the temperatures here on the GFS. So it's going to be pretty easy going the next couple of days here. We'll probably start off in the 30s in the morning. Maybe some 20s. I don't think it'll drop too much below freezing. But then tomorrow we go up into the 50s, upper 50s probably in Jersey. There'll probably be a sea breeze on Long Island to keep temperatures down, because we're going to look at that wind flow in a minute. You'll see the wind flow, which will be sort of onshore. At night we go down into the 30s, and then for Sunday, even warmer. Depending on where you're at, I think the center of the island could get closer to 60 degrees. On the coasts, probably the 50s. Jersey, probably well into the 60s on Sunday. And then for Monday, we're staying pretty much around that similar setup here. And then Tuesday, similar setup. So we are going to be a little bit above normal, not drastically above normal. I think the normal high is supposed to be now around 50 degrees for this time of March. So let's take a look at the winds, and I'll show you what I mean. Actually, we'll use the dew point chart, because that'll kind of show you. So you look at the winds here. So you start off with a light north wind tomorrow. Then it goes sort of west, and then it becomes southwesterly in the late afternoon. Light winds, and then we have that light easterly flow on Sunday. And then on Monday, same thing, a little or southeasterly flow. So this marine flow will keep Long Island cool. I don't think it's going to get all that warm. Same thing for Tuesday as well. So let's go look at the skies. So it's relatively simple and easy going the next couple of days. Not really too much to talk about, just a lot of nice weather. Clear skies over us tomorrow. Clear skies over us on Sunday. Perhaps some clouds over extreme southern Jersey, maybe. Monday, another clear day. And Tuesday, we may have another clear day before the cirrus finally rolls in later. So we may have at least 3 mostly sunny days in a row, which is incredible. And at this time with temperatures that won't be too cold. Let's look at the RGEM. skies as well. And we'll look at that and the NAM. I mean, there's just not too much to talk about. Saturday, here we go. Mostly clear skies for us. Sunday, it looks like it tries to spread some low cloudiness, the RGM, over parts of New Jersey, but not so much for Long Island. And then Monday, a similar deal perhaps. RGM seems to want to bring these clouds a little closer versus the GFS. We'll look at the NAM. But, I mean, all we're talking about are a few clouds here. Plenty of sunshine tomorrow, and maybe a few clouds on Sunday, but plenty of sun. And then, it does seem to want to pop up some marine cloudiness, perhaps with that southeasterly wind. We'll have to keep an eye on that. But that's really the only thing we're going to have to keep an eye on. For the most part, we're dealing with mild temperatures. We can look at I'll look at another temperature model, the HRRR, so it'll give you a little higher resolution on this. This is the 22Z, so I've got to go to the 18Z to get a longer outlook so you can get an idea of what happens to the temperatures tomorrow. You see, it warms up nicely across the island. 50s, everybody's going to get into the 50s, unless you're right at the shore, but the net sea breeze comes in. Sunday, we have highs again in the 50s again, and there should be a sea breeze. So, and again, could be 60 degrees, North Shore, interior parts of Long Island, especially if you're in New Jersey, above 60 perhaps. Just want to look at one other thing here, and that is the climate. So we could just look at the normal high at Central Park for this time of the year. All right, our maximum high today was 40. Our high was 42. Normal high at 51. So yeah, we are supposed to be in the 50s by now. So this is a little bit above normal, but not drastically above normal. So that is going to wrap up this weather update. Enjoy the weekend. It's going to be a great one, and I'll get into the Pine Barrens for sure, and I'll share that all with you as well, because I look forward to it. It's been a little while. Last time I was in the Pine Barrens was on Monday, right? I believe so. Yeah, well, it's only been a few days, I guess, but it feels like it's been a little longer than that. So I look forward to getting back there. Thanks for watching, and take care.